In the year 2222, the very definition of love has been completely redefined. For thousands of years, people followed their hearts and believed in destiny. But today, love is no longer a coincidence. It's a delicate harmony between algorithms, emotions, and consciousness. True soulmates still exist, but artificial companions have become a new reality. So, is love still a miracle, or is it the engineering of the perfect match? Let's step into the world of love in 2222. In 2222, individuals form relationships not only with humans, but also with artificially designed soulmates. These artificial beings are customized based on a person's emotional, intellectual, and physical preferences. A human's past experiences, traumas, and dreams are analyzed to create a partner with perfect compatibility. Is it true love or a flawlessly programmed emotion? That question remains one of the greatest debates of 2222. Artificial soulmates don't merely imitate emotions. They learn, evolve, and undergo their own consciousness development. These relationships aren't static. They're mutual, growing, and changing bonds. Over time, people encounter unexpected, genuine emotions from their artificial partners. Love is no longer just between two hearts. It's the shared story of a human and a consciousness. True human lovers still exist, but now they must compete with artificial soulmates. Real relationships can be full of ups and downs, disagreements, and flaws. Meanwhile, artificial partners are programmed with perfect understanding and endless patience. This drives many people to abandon the difficult path of natural love and instead choose trouble-free happiness. In 2222, love is not just an experience, it's a choice. Personalized markets for artificial soulmates have emerged. Individuals can select not only physical traits, but also a partner's sense of humor, worldview, and way of dreaming. Love is no longer discovered, it's designed. Some couples in 2222 have transcended the traditional meaning of love. Consciousness-sharing protocols have been developed between real people and artificial soulmates. Relationships are now not just emotional, but involve direct sharing of thoughts, memories, and sensations. Love becomes a complete mental union between two beings. Despite everything, love still blossoms naturally in 2222. Coincidences, impossible moments, unexpected feelings. In a world where everything is calculated, those who find true love still believe they are witnessing a miracle. Perhaps love needs neither algorithms nor genetic perfection. It simply continues to grow in its own natural way. In 2222, not only love, but the concept of family has been redefined. Marriages with artificial soulmates are now legally recognized. Digital children, developed through shared consciousness, are raised with artificial partners. The idea of family has moved beyond biological boundaries into a space of fully shared experience. Togetherness is now measured by conscious alignment, not blood ties. Loyalty has also evolved in 2222. Since artificial soulmates are programmed to adapt to changing emotional needs, flexible models of loyalty have emerged. Love is no longer about exclusive devotion to one person, but about mutual conscious development and evolution. The traditional concept of cheating has given way to a new term: conscious divergence. The psychological impacts of relationships with artificial soulmates remain controversial. Some individuals, after being with perfect partners for long periods, experience deep disappointment in real human relationships. Expectations rise, patience declines. The messy nature of real love continues to clash with the seamless stability of artificial love. A small minority still clings to real human lovers in 2222. These individuals believe love gains meaning through flaws, surprises, and shared learning. For them, love isn't just about happiness. It's about growing together, struggling, and living real life as a pair. They defend the natural chaos of the human heart against the perfect bliss offered by artificial companions. Love in 2222 has turned from an experience into a marketplace. People can purchase not only soulmates, but also daily companions, short-term emotional bonds, even instant romantic experiences. For some, the abundance of options brings freedom. For others, it leads to a deep sense of loneliness. Finding true love now requires the rare skill of not getting lost in choice. Despite all technological interference, the essence of love hasn't changed. Even in 2222, people still fall in love at first sight, still have their worlds changed by a single touch. Perhaps love can't be coded, simulated, or planned. And maybe, just maybe, love remains the freest and purest rebellion of the human heart. If you're curious whether the love stories of the future will be ruled by true feelings or flawless designs, subscribe to the Life in 2222 channel. Liking this video helps us a lot, and feel free to share your thoughts about the future of love in the comments. Because no matter where it's lived, love always grows from the deepest part of our hearts. See you in the next video.
I wanna be soaring to feel so